Thank you for your interest in the Wasted Money Worksheet. I hope you're able to use it to set up a budget and hopefully start paying off debt or meeting what other goals you have. I just want to show you how to open this in Google Sheets. What you'll do is log into your Google account, and then beside your name you'll have this little button that shows all the apps. Click on Google Sheets. That will open up this page. You're going to add blank. Then go over to File, Import. Upload. Browse. And you're going to browse to the location of where you saved the sheet. And then you're going to open. It'll upload. I've already done this, so it's just asking me to replace it. I'm going to just import it. And then it'll open, and you'll have your tabs at the bottom, 1, 2, 3. In your sheet, simply fill it out, and it'll auto-calculate everything for you. Thanks. Have fun.